1979 Lincoln Mark V at Unique, especially in classics, and it's a beauty. 400 V8 power underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille, chrome bumper. 47,588 showing on the odometer, believed to be original miles. Speaking of original, chrome in this car. That's the way it would have came from the factory. Dove gray is what this would be in the Ford color, and you Lincoln experts, let me know if Lincoln called it the same as Ford did, Dove gray. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call. UniqueClassicCars.com is our website where you can check out all the still pictures. Look at how straight these body panels are, and they are long. So if there was any poor workmanship done below that paint, anything like that, it would definitely show. Gray leather interior, split bench seat, power both sides. Take a look at the top of this dash, like new condition. We'll get around to the driver's side and you can see there's an 8-track sticking out of there. AM FM stereo with 8-track. 8-track is working. Let's take a look at this partial vinyl top. Also appears to be original. It shows a little wear down in the corner where it's been repaired. Nothing major on that. Fun car for just taking down the road. What a cruiser these are. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just take it out to drive it. You can see where the keyhole for the trunk is here. And this does flip back and forth, as you can see. Take a look at the still pictures you'll be able to see in the trunk. Every angle of this car. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Another thing I like to mention is we have an open door policy if you'd like a third-party inspector to come and take a look at this vehicle. Go right ahead. You can't make it yourself, you're out of town, want somebody else to check it out and report back to you. I want to mention this also. This is kind of the trim for around the sunroof, and the previous owner of this vehicle said the sunroof was in op. There is a key where you can manually do it, and that will be in the glove box he sent with also. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay. We're going to start it up. I'm going to show you the engine bay and point out a few things that definitely leads me to believe that this is original miles at a little over 47,000. Looking up and down the driver's side, you can tell this car's been well taken care of and stored indoors. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. I mean, it is a 79. You may have a little wear here and there, but overall shows very well. Of course, power windows, power locks, and the power seat, split bench seat. Both sides are power, as mentioned earlier. Not a lot of wear on this armrest, and again, those are some of the things that start to show up. If this is 150,000 miles instead of the 47,000 on it, start to see a lot of wear on the armrest. You'll also start to see a lot of wear on the seat, which, as you can see on this one, just kind of your natural wrinkles that a hide or the leather is going to do as it wears. And again, that's original interior. Top of the dash is not sat out in the sun a lot. Usually the higher mile cars get up there as they're sitting outside just being driven or driven down the road. You're going to start to get some heat and some wear on the top of that dash. I'm going to point something else out. So we started up here. I want you to take a look out over the right fender. There is a power antenna, and you can see that is in working order. 47,588 that odometer reads. Stereo can be turned on right here. And again, working order as well. as the 8-track. Little Glen Campbell. Again, top of the dash. Headliner also intact. Can slide the sunshade back and forth. That's where that plastic liner is out of. Still does not look bad the way it is. Nice that door closes. Door hinge good. Don't sag or anything. There you can hear that V8 power. Again, 400 cubic inch. Engine underneath the hood. 6.6 liters. Now slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay and we'll wrap this video up. Hood liner. Get a look at the underside of the hood. And the engine bay. Now here's another thing, miles wise. Look at how clean this engine is. Engine compartment, lack of corrosion, grease, oil, the buildup that you get. When miles start getting put on an engine, you take a look, you can still see the tags and the valve covers. Again, leads me to believe that absolutely this is original miles. Unfortunately, once a car becomes so old, this mark on the title is exempt. I can't confirm or deny that, but the things that you point to and look at all sure lead you to believe that. Take a look at the undersides too. It's another one. Looks like we have a newer master cylinder. And there was some replacement done on the brake hoses. Two things that were done in service. This has also been converted, retrofitted to the 134A from R12. So that's already been done. You can also see that by this fitting right here. Battery disconnect. This car's ready to go. Let's check out those headlights too. There we go. Headlight doors working as they should. '79 Lincoln Mark V. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V. It's not ice cold, but I could swear that there is colder air coming out of the vents when it's on AC. This is a very smooth running, smooth riding 1979 Lincoln. Like sitting on your living room couch if it were leather. Not feeling the bumps in the road. The radio is working good. That's a factory radio with some very unique buttons on it. Our speedometer is working well. Fuel gauge is reading just under half. Those are the only gauges. The rest would be warning lights. Blower motor, of course, is working. Wipers also work. Very smooth ride. Letting go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. Our cruise control also is working. The odometer showing 47,587. Of course, there's not room for that first number. It does feel like a fairly low mile vehicle. In good condition. Corners as you would expect. Nice big luxurious vehicle in very good condition. We do have a sliding roof piece to look out that sunroof. Very nice Lincoln Continental going down the road, good for road trips. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.